Hello, my name is Zach Denny. Today we're at ECUMaster headquarters in Krakow, Poland. It's a beautiful new facility. It's about 1,200 square meters, which is roughly between 8,000 and 10,000 square feet, divided into offices, dyno space, production facility, everything. So we'll give you a quick tour today. Just a little background on the history and myself. ECUMaster was founded in 2009 by Jacob Korder, who still owns and operates the company. I've been distributing ECUMaster products in North America since 2014. So my company distributes all ECUMaster products in North America. We've cooperated very closely with the guys here at ECUMaster headquarters, and today we're going to give you a beautiful tour of their new facility. So first up, we have shipping and receiving. This is temporary for now. There's a warehouse next door that'll be built in the next year or so. To the right, we have all of our sales, invoicing, marketing staff. To the left is the warehouse, and through the warehouse you'll get to the PCB assembly line that we'll show you here in a bit. If you'll follow me further. To my left is the PCB assembly line. To the right is another entrance in the conference room. And in the back we have several more offices for more staff that handle anything from testing to accounting, support, everything. And upstairs, if you follow me, is all of our engineering staff. Okay, we're upstairs now, and in the corner we have tech support, the break room, the restroom. This will be an ESD laboratory as soon as the equipment arrives. And these two offices up here, we have all the software and hardware engineers, software development, and new products. And at the very end here, the two offices at the very end are executive offices. On the outside of this wall, there's more property, and that's where the warehouse will be built eventually. You'll follow me downstairs and we'll show you the dyno facility, the workshop, and the PCB assembly line. Here we are in ECUMaster's brand new PCB assembly line. So from start to finish, the raw boards start here. This machine applies the solder paste. It's almost like a screen printing process where they have a mask, they apply the paste, and then all the components are on these reels. This machine is called a pick and place machine. So every component's lifted up with a tiny suction cup, placed exactly in place. After the pick and place machine, they enter this machine, which is an oven. All of the solder paste is melted, which fuses the components to the board. And finally, they go through for inspections. This is an optical inspection machine that compares the placement of all the components, ensures the right components are in the right place, and that's the end. They come out and they go to final assembly and testing. All right, here we are in the assembly room. This is where all of the components of the devices are assembled into one full component and finally tested. So here we have the workshop area. As you can see, there's a 2-post lift for service, and this is where whole vehicles are brought in for plug-and-play adapter testing and vehicle development. If you follow me, we'll go through the dyno cells. So this first cell is for the engine dyno. The engine dyno has been ordered, it's not here yet. It's from the same company that the chassis dyno is from, called Rotronics. And the chassis dyno cell is complete. So you can see all the ventilation in place. There's a valve controlling the ventilation in and out of the building, so you can modify the pressure. And we've got the two hub dynos here. Again, thanks for following along and watching. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of this facility before I left on this trip. We'll do a more in-depth tour later that'll show you the whole production process from start to finish. I know I love watching how things are made, so it'll be a really neat tour. Especially as the facility's expanded, the engine dyno arrives, and there'll be some CNC equipment that's added as well. I just wanted to show you this beautiful new facility and some of the capabilities we have to offer you. Again, thank you for purchasing our products and supporting our brand, and we look forward to releasing many new and exciting products for you in the future. Thank you.